Hello, if you wish to take high resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can do a couple of things. The first thing that you can do is switch the camera to 50 megapixels, at least in the photo mode. So you can tap over here. By default, it is of course 12 megapixels. It says 12M. You can tap on this text in order to switch to 50 megapixels. Keep in mind that in 50 megapixels, you cannot zoom in and zoom out. Now, the next thing that you can do is make sure that the aspect ratio over here is 3:4. If you use 9:16, 1:1, or full, you are not using the full capacity. You are not utilizing the full capacity of the camera. 3:4 is definitely the highest resolution and the best quality, I would say. Now, of course, these are just settings related to, or things that we can do in the camera settings or camera options. Besides that, the proper lighting and the environment, of course, how lit it is also important. So keep in mind that the conditions of the light are just as crucial as those options. But if you are looking for a way to increase the resolution of photos just by changing things up on the phone, then just make sure that you are using 50 megapixels camera and 3:4 aspect ratio. Of course, there is also the Pro mode that allows you to make some adjustments where we can adjust the ISO, the speed, and so on and so forth. However, this Pro mode uses 12 megapixels camera, so it is a little bit worse, at least statistically, or if we just look at the numbers. So keep that in mind as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!